going to be nice. Now I'm probably not going to mind if the smoke comes to me tonight, because that will keep a lot of bugs away. I'm hoping. We will find out. How good is this flag? But how good? It is going to be an early night. I can tell these midges, like, even spraying, they're jumping on me. But for now, I'm going to have a drink, enjoy the bush tally, and watch the view. It's going to be awesome. Oh, pure glass off right now. It's meant to be a little bit windy up, but according to the weatherman, it'll probably pick up during the night. Oh. But as you can see, got about an hour and it should be starting to get dark. Last light will just be in about an hour. But how's that? Glass. Not a cloud in the sky. It's going to be beautiful. I don't think I'll put any lights on, because that will just attract more bugs. That's the problem when you find places like this. It doesn't, you know, magic spot, but it's just, yeah, mozzie infested, or midgie infested. Might be time of the year, I don't know. But yeah, it's not good. Definitely going to need a good shower tomorrow. Well, that shit sprayed over me, that's for sure. I'll hop out of there tomorrow morning like cardboard. Have a look at this. Come on. Stop standing up the back here. Come on, come up the front. Look at the pinkness coming out. Pink sky, pink lake. I hope it's coming out on camera, but alright, look at it. Magic. Dead calm. Not a breath of wind anywhere. And makes fighting with midges all afternoon worthwhile. Can feel the temperature dropping ever so slightly, but I don't care. This is what it's all about. You're not going to believe it. Midges are sort of buggered off. I don't want to turn the light on in the canopy, because the moment I do that, I think I'll get swamped. But right now, there is no midges annoying me. There's the odd one I see flying around, but yeah, it's a beautiful night. Might be able to clean myself before I go up in the rooftop tent. Dead calm. Dead calm. Alright, I was just setting up, sorry, I'm showing midges and everything. I was just setting up the other camera for the Star Trail, and I got attacked by mozzies. And now I've got the orange light on. All the midges are coming, so this is going to be very quick. I'm going to say goodnight, watch the last bit of that fire going, and then hit the sack, give myself a quick clean, jump in bed, and call it a night. I'll see you all in the morning. Good morning. Oh, what a beautiful morning. Oh, sleep in my eyes. Oh, ended up being a magic night. Wasn't cold. A little bit fresh in the morning, but apart from that, beautiful. Not a breath of wind all night. I need my sunnies. Other side. There's a few mozzies around. Magic morning. I do have trackies on, keep the old legs warm. But listen. But while the birds sing, I'm going to make myself a coffee. Yeah, dead calm morning. Look at that. That's crazy, isn't it? Meant to get rain this afternoon, but Right now it does not look like it. No way. Just drying the rooftop. Wasn't that wet inside, just a little bit of condensation, so I thought I'd just open it up, let the morning sun get in there. I'll pack my bed up in a minute. We'll make it a bit more enjoyable. Yeah. Like, I don't know if you can see, but there is midges. Let me take you off the stand. I'll bring you over. Kettle's boiled. Look at all the midges on the door. And up there. It's yeah, midgie paradise, I gotta say. And not much I can do, but kettle is boiled. Haven't seen any ducks or swans or anything that you'd expect to see on a big lake like this, but they're probably hiding somewhere. I've got to learn to sleep in, don't I? Enjoy the sleep in. It's like 6 o'clock and I'm up, coffee in hand. It's but I am enjoying the moment. Oh, you can feel the breeze here. So it's coming through there. Bit of a westerly. Not strong at all because that lake is still dead calm. Not a ripple on it. I think it's time to get changed. Put some shorts on and enjoy this beautiful sunshine. Oh, and I think I might have to have a hay fever tablet because my eyes are already itchy. I am suffering hard from it this year. Oh man, what a magic morning. All right, let's get changed. Ouch. There we go. Good. Good to go. Good to rock and roll. Let's see how long before I get attacked on the legs. That will decide how quick I pack up the Taj Mahal, which is probably covered in bugs right now. I can see them flying all around. Oh. I think I might pack up the rooftop now. It's yeah, I think it's about that time. Well, that wasn't hard, was it? You wouldn't even know I camped. Still drinking the coffee. See how like slack I've been. I just, yeah. Fun part of getting out. I'm going to back into there where it's soft. I don't know if you can see. Let's get you off the. Alright, the fun part of getting out is I'm going to back into there where it looks pretty soft, but the whole way in looks soft when you look at it. But I just cruised. It was quite easy. Yeah. Finished my coffee first. And then, yeah, I don't know. Might be time to leave. Magic little spot apart from the midges. Would I camp here again? Hell yeah. Probably pick a different time of the year. I might even consider it when it's like winter. I'm not sure if midges are seasonal, so. But imagine it raining sitting around here. Oh, I probably wouldn't come up to this bit. I'd probably be back up there a little bit further. But yeah, or up on top of the hill. Oh, this is so nice. Well, it's time to try and get out of here. Oh. Let the fun begin. Thanks for coming along again. This midgy camp, might as well call it. But yeah, we will see you on the next one. I'm unsure where that will be, but yeah, it will definitely be somewhere, hopefully with less midges. Oh, don't forget, like, subscribe, all that stuff if you're interested. If not, thanks for watching anyway. See yous.